Hello children, today we will learn about password. In your HTML class, I will tell you how to add password to your programming. Now see children, on the top it is written HTML, right? So what we will do, this is a normal procedure. So when you start your HTML programming, first you start HTML programming and you close it, isn't it? Here, then you write head, and here head is closed. Here you have written title, and whatever the title you want to give, you give, and it is closed. These are the normal things. Then you will write the title of your page. This is your please provide the following information. This is a heading, so you open the heading and you close the heading, right? Then here it is post, and here it is action. I told you that the form has got two things, the method and the action. Method and the action. Method is where this form is going to be posted up here, and action is where you will collect all the information. So these are the two things, the method and the post. Method is where you will post, and action is where you will collect the information, right? Then it is name. In the registration form, you need name, you need address, you need city, you need PIN code, and you need this mobile, right? Mobile number. So all these things will be in the input text. That will be the text input. Can you see? In all the fields, I have asked in text. Right? Here it is credit card. One more thing children, here it is written size and here it is written maximum length. So it is my advice, when you are generating your program, make these two attributes same. Here it is 30, here it is 20. Why I have written 20? Because in your book it is written 20. But it is my advice to make these two numbers the same. Actually, size is the length of the box that appears on the screen. And this is the maximum length is the number of characters, the letters that appears in the box. So it is advisable to make these two numbers same, but let it be. It's in the book, you go with it, but it is my advice to keep it the same numbers. Now here you see the for the credit card, if you ask someone to write your credit card, to type your credit card number, you don't want the number to be seen by all. So what the computer has done, or what in the HTML programming we do, we apply the field password. We don't apply the field text. If you will apply a field text, whatever the number the person will type will appear on the screen. But here I don't want the credit card number to be seen by all. So we will change the data type, input type from text to password. And it is same, the size the same, the length is the same. And here children, you see all these are closed. Here in the beginning, this is opened, and here the form is opened. Here it is form is opened, and here we have closed all. So children, you all practice and do let me know how you see the output. While doing this, what is my output is, I will show you. First of all, you have to save this file, and how you will save this file in the notepad, that is, okay children, go to the file, save as, and on the desktop you can write password form dot is to write the extension. That was the notepad file, in the text file, the rich text file. Now here I will write I will give this extension HTML so that when it appears as a web page, it accepts all your inputs. So the extension would be HTML. If you will not do this step, your page will not appear on the web, right? So this is all. First you write the coding in the notepad, then you save that notepad file. This is the text file. Now I am saving it to the HTML and save. Right? You go to the desktop and click on the file you have saved, right? Password, remember I have given the name password form. So I'll right click there and I will go to the open with the Internet Explorer, and here I will get my file. Now see all these inputs. These are text. It was text, so I can write anything here. I'll write APS Nehru Road, right? Here I'll write Lucknow. There I can write 226-002. Here I'll write no mobile number. Okay, and there I'll write my credit card number. So see children, it appears in the number, right? So that was your task, today's task. Now I request you all, please keep doing your work. It is lockdown. Do not waste your time. In a week only once I give you the work. Please keep doing the work.